The best refrigerator arrangement is the key to running a busy, but efficient household.
A busy household needs to be organized in order to function properly, so getting the refrigerator set up properly is essential.
Even when families dine out often around school, work and extracurricular schedules, they still make frequent use of the kitchen and the appliances there.
The busiest appliance in the kitchen is the refrigerator and the freezer.
Maintaining the best refrigerator arrangement is essential for the household to function in an economical and healthy manner.
Takeout dishes, leftovers and pre-cooked meals are stashed in the refrigerator or freezer without much thought.
Do you have a household with children? If so, it is easy for the refrigerator to get cluttered and disorganized.
Foods that are stashed improperly either go bad before they are consumed or they are impossible to find.
You wind up rebuying them because you did not realize you already had the food on hand.
Keep the best refrigerator arrangement in place by following one simple tip.
Once a week, go through your refrigerator to toss out any foods that have expired.
That jar of tartar sauce from 3 years ago is not something your family is going to use.
Be sure fruits and vegetables are stored in separate bins to keep them fresh as long as possible.
Store regularly used items in the front of each shelf. Less often used products behind them.
It does not have to take hours to keep the refrigerator organized.
Keep on top of it by spending a few minutes each week to scan the refrigerator and freezer for unused or expired food items.
You are sure to help keep everyone healthy and save money by staying on top of your refrigerator's arrangement.